Following are the views of political party leaders expressed during election rallies.
We will unveil our election manifesto on Thursday, and it will contain plans to address your issues and will provide solutions as well. The first thing is to increase your revenue and address the issues pertaining to the economy and employment. Next will be to develop infrastructure facilities and welfare. The third would be to eradicate corruption. The fourth would be to ensure freedom, while number 5 will be to develop education. There are 2 or 3 matters that will address the issues pertaining here in Batticaloa. I was asked what would be the certified price for paddy. It will be 50 rupees. There were some shortcomings in the party. We will address them and proceed. Some top persons have investment boards. We have commenced small business boards. We will establish a centre to provide assistance on this at every electorate. These days the government is obtaining loans, but they are not doing any work. For these 6 months, they have obtained loans that surpass the sum of money I borrowed to develop the country in 2014. They have teamed up with the JVP, and in the words of Somavansa, they have become the bell of the elephant. When you look at this in one way, it is a happy and a disappointing thing that the people of this country had to experience the destructions that were caused within 180 days by the UNP government by forcibly taking the mandate of the people. There is no new service that needs to be done to the country. We understand that destruction is the order of the day. There is a saying that when the pig tastes its own feces, it will not eat anything else after. The same is with politics, and that is why they are trying to re-enter politics. We kindly request the people of this country not to be deceived by this cancer. We are trying to create a social, economical and political revolution in the country. I heard a big wig of the alliance saying recently that the time has come to rectify the colossal mistake caused on the 8th of January. What was the mistake caused on the 8th of January? Was dethroning the ethanol dealers a mistake? Was dethroning the drug dealers, the murderers and the white van operators a mistake? The events that transpired on the 8th of January cannot be changed by anyone. I will make you a promise. That is to sweep away these miscreants away from our society.